Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today we are checking out the newest FateMeetup update. This update adds support for 1.8 and fixes around a few things for 1.7. So let's go over what's new, what we added, what we want to do with it, all of that. So let's start about what's the obvious thing. When you start up the server, you're now going to see enabling meetup for 1.1_8_R1 or whatever Minecraft version you have. As long as you have 1.7 or 1.8, this will successfully load up. So we've added support for custom jars, custom versions, and all of that. So you can use whatever jar you want of any type of fork of spigot or anything now. It does not have to be ours. Ours was removed from the depends list. It's not needed. You can just download this. You can use it on 1.7 and 1.8. Nothing was changed in the config or anything. It's just drag and drop. And if you join the server, we're going to go over a few new things that happen when you join. One, you are no longer hovering in midair, so you're not going to be hovering in midair like you used to, because you used to be sitting up. In the last video that came out earlier this week, you were sitting up. This time, you are not. You are stuck in the same place, so you can see I'm stuck from moving, but I'm not going to be, I can jump and move around in my one block space, but you're not going to be stuck in the air. Other than that, the plugin works exactly the same as it did originally. There is nothing else you need to do with it. It's just pretty much the exact same plugin. Everything was set up so it's supported with 1.7 and 1.8. If you have 1.7, death messages work exactly the same. If you have 1.8, they work the same. They look the same, but on the back end, the code has changed on how it works. So you can say, since I was the only one in here, it works exactly how it's designed to work. Everything will work the exact same if you're on 1.7 or 1.8. They're the exact same things. What I do recommend doing is, if you are upgrading from a 1.7 jar to a 1.8 jar when using Meetup, is delete the world files before you start the server for 1.8, or there could be some issues. So now we're going to go ahead and start this up with a 1.7 jar, and I can show you what it looks like then. So to do this, did not mean to do that. That just opened my CD drive. So to start up that, pretty much all you have to do is switch your start.bat to a 1.7 or a 1.8 jar. In my case, I was using 1.8. My 1.7 jar is named spigot.jar. So if I go ahead and start up the server now, you can see when the console loads up, it's going to say loaded version spigot 1.7. You can see 1.7, 1_7_4 right there. So I'll show you that in a second. It's still loading up though. Right there, it says 1_7_4, and it will successfully load up. If there is an error when loading it up, it will let you know that there's an error in the console, that your spigot version is uncompatible. So if you have an issue with that, just contact us. I can try to add support for it. Right now it's 1.7, 1.8 only. So you can see when I join in, I am stuck in the same one block, even in 1.7. I have a little less mobility, that's just how it works. But I'm stuck within this one block. I can still jump. Everything still works exactly the same as if I was using 1.8. So there's very little changes. The only thing that was changed was sitting up in the midair. That was the thing keeping us from supporting 1.8. Everything works the same. The depends are the same. Everything is good. It's only one depend to run the plugin. It's available on our website. When you buy the plugin, just contact us on Discord for the password. And everything works exactly the same as if it would if you were on 1.7. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have questions on anything that we changed in the update or anything, please let us know by leaving a comment below. I would be happy to answer any questions you have. Discord's our fastest way to support, though. We get back to you within 30 minutes average time for support. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Goodbye.